Hi, I'm Tarek. Today I'll be showing you how to unbox and install your inet 804 mesh unit. You first have to connect the Wi-Fi mesh unit to a power source and wait approximately 60 seconds. In that time, the mesh unit would have completed its booting. Once the mesh unit is in this state with power and Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz lights on, press and hold the WPS button found at the bottom of the Gigacenter for 5 seconds. There should now be a flashing orange light. You then proceed to press the button labeled WPS found at the back of the 804 mesh unit. There are a series of 4 indicator lights labeled Wi-Fi backhaul, which will assist with the placement of your Wi-Fi mesh unit. If the indicator has 3 green lights and 1 red light, then that mesh unit is too close to your Gigacenter and should be moved further away. If the mesh unit is too far away from the Gigacenter, you may only see 2 Wi-Fi backhaul indicator lights. In these circumstances, you will need to move that mesh unit closer to the Gigacenter. Now that we've moved the Wi-Fi mesh unit closer to your Gigacenter, you can now see that you have 4 green lights, which will ensure that you have the best possible Wi-Fi experience throughout your home. inet Fibre, welcome to the good life.